What really happens to your body after taking creatine for just 15 days? Will you suddenly build muscle? Will you gain water weight? Or is creatine just another supplement that's overhyped? Let's look at what science actually says. Creatine is one of the most, but here's what surprises many people. Most of the changes don't happen overnight. Instead, they happen quietly inside your body. First, let's understand what creatine actually is. Creatine isn't a steroid or a hormone. It's a natural compound that your body already makes every day. You also get small amounts from foods like beef, pork, and fish. Its main job is helping your muscles produce quick energy during short, intense activities. Creatine helps your body recharge that energy much faster, allowing your muscles to perform a little longer before they get tired. During the first several days of taking creatine, your muscles begin storing more of it. Scientists call this muscle saturation. Think of it like filling a fuel tank. The fuller the tank becomes, the more energy your muscles have available during hard workouts. Some people choose a loading phase by taking around 20 grams a day for about a week, while others simply take 5 grams every day. Both methods eventually fill your muscles with the same amount of creatine. The biggest difference is that loading works faster, but it can also upset your stomach. That's why many people prefer taking a steady 5 grams each day. By the second week, you may start noticing small improvements in your workouts. Maybe you complete one extra repetition. Maybe the last set feels slightly easier. These aren't dramatic changes, but over weeks and months, those small improvements can lead to bigger gains more efficiently. Of course, creatine doesn't replace good sleep, proper nutrition, or smart training, but it can help support your overall performance. Here's something many people don't know. Creatine doesn't only help your muscles. Your brain also uses creatine for energy. Some research suggests it may support mental performance during periods of fatigue or sleep loss, although scientists are still studying this area and more research is needed. Now let's clear up two of the biggest myths. First, does creatine damage healthy kidneys? Current research says no. For healthy adults, there is no strong evidence that taking recommended doses of creatine harms kidney function. However, if you already have hair loss. Years ago, one small study raised concerns that creatine might increase a hormone linked to hair loss, but larger studies have not confirmed that creatine actually causes people to lose their hair. Right now, the evidence is limited and mixed. The time to take creatine is the time you'll remember every single day. Unlike caffeine, creatine doesn't work immediately. It builds up in your muscles over time, so consistency matters much more than timing. Whether you mix it into water, juice, or your protein shake, the most important thing is taking it regularly and staying well hydrated. So, what happens after taking creatine for 15 days? Your muscles store more creatine, giving them more quick energy during intense exercise. You may notice slightly fuller-looking muscles, better workout performance, and improved recovery between sets. The changes won't be dramatic after only 2 weeks, but they create a strong foundation for future muscle growth and better athletic performance. Remember, creatine isn't magic. It works best when combined with consistent training, enough protein, good nutrition, quality sleep, and patience. If you're looking for one of the safest, most effective, and most affordable supplements supported by decades of scientific research, creatine is certainly worth considering. If you enjoyed this video and want more science-based health and fitness content explained in simple language, subscribe to the channel. We'll continue exploring nutrition, muscle building, longevity, and evidence-based wellness in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.